Are you tired of spending hours struggling with Microsoft Word only to end up with the basic documents? Ever found yourself lost with formatting text in documents? Wondering if there is a way to create great documents without the problems? Then now you can master Microsoft Word with ease. Well, buckle up because we've got the solution to your document concerns. Introducing the Master Microsoft Word Beginner to Advanced course. Hi, I'm Vanessa, and together we'll learn to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Word. No more feeling lost. It is time to become a word master. We are not just talking about formatting here. I have created this course to add a professional touch to your documents. It has got styles, fonts, and colors covered. It will also make collaborating with your team an easy process with built-in templates and smart features. It is a game changer whether you are new to Word or a regular user. Ready to impress your colleagues and level up your Word game? Then don't miss out. Enroll now. Let's make your document shine one click at a time. See you in the course.